This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
This season of Road Warriors, we have 12 teams that go head-to-head. Points accumulate over 11 rounds. Have you got what it takes to become the champion?
Road Warrior.
This is round 10 and all teams and drivers are vying for a crucial win here tonight. First up, we've got REDLINE SALVAGE, who's currently on 13 points, and Big Sam in the NASCAR is currently on 14 points. Tonight will be a very big decider out of these two, who will be sitting up towards the top of the ladder. There they are on the start gate. Road Warriors, get ready to rumble. REDLINE SALVAGE right out hard and fast. Look at that big six-wheel axle go. Here comes the NASCAR. The NASCAR takes him on the corner and he gets across on an 8.80. A pretty fast time for the first tonight. The Semi-Psycho struggling to keep up with the NASCAR. Let's go back and have a look. The Semi-Psycho's in great position here. Does that big swing as he always does. He just didn't convert that into energy to get across the line. Car's always swapping the second. Semi-Psycho just out front by a couple of wheels, and a NASCAR takes him on that turn one. Look at him power through turn two. What a beautiful line he's done again. And he's taken out the first battle in round 10. This thing is unstoppable. Pretty even down the back, and that nice little duck on the inside there by the NASCAR takes out the battle. Hot Car Track taking on Jay Woodsy Woods. The Rover against the Blackfire. Australia against America. We've seen Hot Car Track come back with some late form. It's a bit too late in the season. And Jay Woodsy Woods, well, what can I say? This car is built for Mount Western Raceway. Let's have a look. Hot Car Track's currently on 5 points and Jay Woodsy Woods is on 11. Out they go. It's Woodsy right out front. Hot Car Track's gone and doing his usual backwards manoeuvre. The Blackfire's in trouble out of turn 2 and Hot Car snaps it across the line. And a 9.660. Let's go back and look at this replay. The Blackfire was right out front out of turn 2. You can just see his back end swing down too low and he's just lost all his power right there on that turn 2. Hot Car Track coming back with a win out of the first. The Blackfire's got the inside. What can he do in this second race? As Hot Car Track right out front and Hot Car Track's off the track and gone. Jay Woodsy Woods has got it right open. All he has to do is cross. And he does that easily at a 9.80. Jay Woodsy Woods and the Blackfire. The Rover tries to take a shortcut and cleans up with that big rock. That's one hell of a bad stack that I've seen up there in a long while. Race 3, battle 2, all squared up. Woodsy has the inside. Off to a good clean start. Hot Car Track, he's just spinning out and he's gone. Jay Woodsy Woods just has to hang on and cross the line to get those 2 points. That he does at a 9.90. Hot Car Track struggling again in this whole tournament. Jay Woodsy Woods takes out the battle too. Bit of interference there, but Woodsy sees that as no obstacle at all. Both these cars are very similar in size and weight. 78 grams versus 78 grams. It's New Zealand versus Australia. Jazzy Jensen's from New Zealand, currently on 10 points, and Seth driving the Autometer is from Australia and on 11 points. This race is going to be too hard to pick. New Zealand versus Australia. Seth has taken the early lead into turn 1. A perfect line out of there. Into turn 2, another perfect line. Jazzy Jensen's left in the dust. And Seth driving the Autometer comes in at an 8.560. A very quick time for tonight's racing. Jazzy Jensen just gets caught up on that middle rail and then heads to the side, and that's where all the power was lost. Check this big hit out. Whack. That was a big hit down the bottom. Race 2, Sess heads to the inside. Jazzy Jensen right on the outside, goes out hard, but it's Sess into that turn 1. She's going to have the advantage right here. Jazzy Jensen, oh, what a perfect line out of that bottom turn 2 and crosses in a 9.340. Oh, folks, this is sensational racing right here on MWR. Let's have a look at that. Look at this little turn. Oh, that's beautiful. Let's go again. Oh, stunning driving there by Jazzy Jensen from New Zealand. All squared up into race 3. Jazzy Jensen's got the inside. The lights are green. It's Sess right out front again, and she just swings into that turn. Jazzy Jensen struggling and not too sure what's going on, and it's Sess that's going to take out the battle. Australia takes out New Zealand in round 10. Have a look at Jazzy Jensen. They tend to favour that outside line. Not enough juice to get up and down through turn 1. Battle 4 Road Warriors. Yo Jimbo, currently on 8 points, is going up against the leader, the Fractal Panda, who's currently on 15 points. 101 grams versus 94 grams. The Fractal Panda has been on true form from the very get-go in this competition. And they're going out hard. Yo Jimbo's got the advantage, I think. Oh no, it's a Fractal out of turn 1. If he can hold on, he's going to take this out. Yo Jimbo right on his heels. So that's a Fractal, the purple haze, getting the first points out of this battle. You can see down the back there, I thought Yo Jimbo really had this one sewn up, but the Fractal just pushing in front of him and taking the lead out of turn 1. Fractal Panda has the inside. The Fractal Panda's going out hard. Yo Jimbo struggling to catch up. Fractal Panda's all over the shop. Doesn't matter, he's going to cross and gets an easy battle win for those 2 points at a 9.280. All the way from Scotland, the Fractal Panda, they've really built a sensational racing machine. Scoop Adams and Leafer 12 are equal on 8 points. They're not going to take the competition out. However, a battle win tonight will secure them maybe a place up the top somewhere. Scoop Adams is in the Royale Cheese. Leafer 12 is in the Blackjack. Both these cars hail from the USA, and these guys build sensational cars. They're often racing, and it's Scoop Adams going out hard, gets a beautiful line again, hits the sidewall. Leafer 12 struggling down the back. Scoop Adams crosses in that 10.52. The Royale Cheese gets off to a very quick start. Sits beautifully on the track around that turn. That's a very steep turn, this fat track on those turns. You really need to have a lot of power. You go up high to retain yourself around the corners. Leafer 12's off and racing very quick. Hits the sidewall. Leafer 12 swinging out of turn 2. He gets across in a 10.260. That was a very tight battle. Let's go back and have a look at that. Have a look at Scoop Adams picking this deadly line going down low. Almost successful. Leafer 12 and the Blackjack has the inside. And they're both even down the back, but it's Leafer 12 right out front. Scoop Adams spinning out and gone. Looks like another easy victory there for Leafer 12 and Blackjack, driving for BLUELINE Racing. What a grueling session of races this is, Road Warriors. It really puts your car on the line, and you've got to stay alive for up to 33 races. This is it, folks. This is Battle 6, the last for round 10. Po-Boy Racing in the Nitro Door Slammer and Superman Dion driving Jonah are both on 14 points, equals second. What's going to happen? 97 grams versus 86. Too hard to call it. New Zealand versus America. Po-Boy from America has the inside. The green is on. They're both going hard. Superman Dion is right out front, going backwards. I don't think we've seen him coming backwards before. Oh, it's going to be close. Superman takes out that first race in a 10.640. That was very close. Let's go have a look again. Oh boy, coming back with some very late charge. Yeah, not much in that. Let's head to race 2. Cars swap. Superman's got the inside. Neck and neck down the back into turn 1. Superman's got the advantage. Po-Boy right in his slipstream. Oh, Po-Boy takes it out right on the line in a 9.20. That was close. Let's go back and check it out. Both cars swapping a bit of paint, and they both might need to go off to the panel beaters after this one. And here's line cam. All squared up in Battle 6 and Race 3. The 2 points here are crucial. This is going to put you right into second place. Po'boy racing right out front. Superman's on his heels. He's charging. He's doing his best he can. And as Po'boy crosses, he takes out Battle 6 and gets the 2 elusive wins. The sport of racing can be cruel, and all teams have put on an excellent performance tonight right here in Mount Western Raceway, the Road Warriors. Very tight after round 10. The Fractal on 17, Big Sam and Po'boy on 16, Superman on 15, Redline, Cess and Jazzy Woods on 13, Jazzy Jensen on 11, Leafers on 12, Scoop Adams is on 9, Yo Jimbo 8 and Hot Car Track is on 6. Catch you round 11. These events don't happen without our sponsors, so go check them out on all their social media platforms, give them a thumbs up or make a comment down below.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
I thought you were my pure kisser, mistaken identity. I thought you were my love. I thought you were my didn't know I was looking, but I must have been. 'Cause you got me cooking up a mind of sin.